Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. In today's lecture, I am going to teach you D1 Mathematics Exercise 1B, question number 5. In my last lecture, I told you about how to find HCF and LCM. Now student, here is a question. The number 176 and 342 written as the product of their prime numbers are 176 is equal to 2 raised to power 4 into 11 and 342 is equal to 2 into 3 square into 19. Hence find the smallest whole number. Dear student, when we have to find the smallest whole number, we have to find LCM. That is divisible by both 176 and 342. Let's start the solution. As I told you, when we have to find the LCM, we write common factors, and here common factor is 2. Because 2 is common in both 176 factors and 342, and not common factors are 2 raised to power 3 into 11 into 3 square into 19. Now to find LCM, we have to taking the product of common and not common factors. When we taking the product of all these number, we get 30,096. The next question is find the smallest value of n such that LCM of n and 15 is 45. Now student, if LCM of any two number is 45 and the one number is 15, we write it as factors of 15s (3 into 5). Now student, LCM is 45. So there are n's factor is 3 into 3. If we take this, then LCM is common factor 3 into uncommon factor this, and this is 45. So the value of n is 9. Here question number 7. Hussein needs to pack 171 pens, 63 pencils and 27 erasers into identical gift bags so that each item is equally distributed among the gifts bags. Find the largest number of gift bags that can be packed. Here student, we have to find HCF. When we have to find the largest number, we find HCF. First, I take prime factorization of 171, 63 and 27. The prime factorization are these. I write as first I take common factors. The HCF is 3 into 3 is 9. Now second part. The second part is the number of each item in a gift bag. When student we have to find the number of items, we divide the given quantity number like 171 pens, 63 pencils and 27 erasers by HCF. So we get the number of items in a gift bag. Here number of pencils in gift pack. Number of pens in gift pack is 171 divided by 9, which is HCF. I received 19. Number of pencils in gift pack 63 divided by 9 is 7. And number of erasers in gift pack is 27 divided by 9 is 3. Question number 8. Two race cars, car X and car Y, are at the starting point of a 2-kilometer track at the same time. One 2-kilometer track, two cars, and car X and car Y make one lap every 60 seconds and every 80 seconds respectively. It means car X. How long in seconds will it take for both cars to be back at the starting point at the same time? Dear student, when we have to find how will it take for both cars to be back at the starting point at the same time, and track is 2 kilometers, and car X takes 60 seconds and car Y takes 80 seconds. We have to find LCM. First I take prime factorization of 60. Then I take the prime factorization of 80. I write as here common factors are LCM or the time starting point at the same time meet when both cars meet at the starting point at the same time. I have to find LCM, common factor and not common factor. 240 seconds. Part 2. How long in minutes will it take for the faster car to be 5 laps ahead of the slower car? Dear student, the car which take less time is a faster car, and that car is car X, which take 60 seconds. Now the time at which the both car meet at the starting point is 240 seconds. It means 240 second means 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, both car meets at the starting point. If car X has 60 seconds and it takes 5 laps, so I receive 4 as 240 divided by 60, and this is 4 minutes, and 5 laps is 5 into 4, 20 minutes. So it take 20 minutes for the faster car to be 5 laps ahead of the slower car. I hope students you easily understand this topic. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and keep on watching more videos. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.